You've just loaded up Valorant, ready to clutch some rounds, maybe rank up with your squad, or just blow off some steam after a long day. The anticipation builds. You hit that play button and then nothing. You're stuck in queue, watching that frustrating timer tick away, knowing full well you should be in a game right. Now it's a truly deflating moment, turning excitement into pure annoyance as you contemplate restarting your entire, or worse, just giving up on your gaming session entirely. But don't rage quit just yet. We've all been there, staring blankly at the in-queue message, feeling like the game itself is actively trying to prevent us from having fun today. We're diving into the most effective ways to troubleshoot and fix your Valorant queue woes, so you can get back to planting spikes and dominating the battlefield in no time. Kicking things off with the age-old troubleshooting mantra. Turn it off and on again. Seriously, simply closing the Valorant client, the Riot Games client, and then reopening them can often resolve temporary glitches that are causing you to be stuck. If that doesn't work, a full restart of your entire can work wonders by clearing up any lingering system or network conflicts that might be preventing a smooth connection. Before you go tearing your hair out, it's always a good idea to check if the problem is on your end or if Valorant servers are actually having a moment. Head over to Riot Games' official server status page or their support Twitter account to see if there are any reported outages or maintenance affecting your region. If the servers are down, unfortunately, the best fix is patience until Riot gets things sorted. Sometimes your network connection just needs a gentle reset to properly communicate with Valorant servers. You can try flushing your DNS and renewing your IP address, which essentially gives your computer a fresh set of instructions for connecting to the internet. This simple command line trick can clear up routing issues and often resolves those frustrating stuck-in-queue moments stemming from a stale network configuration. Believe it or not, sometimes Valorant just needs a little extra permission to do its job properly. Running both the Valorant game application and the Riot client as an administrator can often bypass hidden permission issues that might be preventing them from fully connecting to the game servers. It's a quick right-click solution that ensures the game has all the necessary access it needs to get you into a match.